Climate change is devastating many parts of the world. Our planet is changing rapidly, and in response, the global community has signed the Paris Climate Agreement in 2015 and the Glasgow Climate Pact at COP26. As businesses strive for a sustainable future, how are they responding to this changing landscape? Capel Corporation is one company that has committed to halve its Scope 1 and 2 emissions by 2030 from 2020 levels and achieve net zero by 2050.
Climate change is one of the most pressing challenges facing the world today. And as a responsible corporate citizen, Capel is committed to sustainability and climate action. As part of Capel's Vision 2030, we have put sustainability at the core of our strategy. This involves both running our business sustainably and providing solutions that contribute to a cleaner and greener world, including green cities and buildings, renewables, decarbonisation and environmental solutions.
This is Singapore, a small island state of 730 square kilometres. Singapore is one of the densest countries in the world, with a population of 8,000 per square kilometre. Singapore has launched its Green Plan 2030 to set clear sustainability targets for the country, and business action is part of the strategy. The built environment is responsible for almost 40% of global carbon emissions. This is largely due to electricity consumption and cooling needs. To reach net zero targets, buildings need to deploy energy-efficient systems and on-site renewable energy. Other unavoidable usage can then be offset through renewable energy certificates, or RECs. The Keppel Bay Tower shows that it is possible to retrofit an existing building with cutting-edge technology to make it net zero energy.
The conversion of Keppel Bay Tower into Singapore's first Green Mark Platinum Zero Energy commercial building demonstrates how we can leverage technology to enhance the performance of older buildings and provide them with a new lease of life. And this also paves the way for such solutions to be replicated across many other buildings in Singapore and the Asia-Pacific region and help these communities get to net zero.
Keppel is also looking at other creative solutions, such as a floating data center park that will be the first of its kind in the world. Data centers are a critical part of the modern digital economy, but they consume a huge amount of power. Harnessing Keppel's decades of engineering expertise and experience with floating structures, its floating data centers can tap on seawater for cooling, which increases cooling efficiency by up to 80%.
Beyond tapping seawater for cooling, we are also looking into how we can further optimize energy usage by integrating hydrogen infrastructure for embedded power generation. This eliminates the need to rely on the national grid and minimizes our carbon footprint at the same time. We are also studying how we can tap the cold energy generated from liquid hydrogen regasification to supplement our cooling needs.
With the increased frequency of extreme weather events linked to climate change, water security has become a critical issue. The Keppel Marina East Desalination Plant, officially opened by Singapore Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong in February 2021, is a dual-mode desalination plant that can treat both reservoir and seawater, thus improving Singapore's water security. When Singapore faces dry weather, the plant will desalinate seawater. When Singapore faces heavy rainfall, the plant will draw on this water from the marina reservoir, which reduces energy required by about 70% as compared to seawater desalination. By locating the treatment facilities underground, the plant also frees up nearly 20,000 square meters of open green rooftop space for recreation and also reduces the urban heat island effect.
The net zero commitments made by governments and companies have accelerated energy transition and unprecedented demand for renewables, decarbonisation and clean energy solutions. These are areas that Keppel is focusing on as part of the group's Vision 2030. Our comprehensive energy-as-a-service offering include renewables, waste management, district cooling, EV charging and other solutions. we are confident we will be able to contribute significantly to global climate action and to Singapore Green Plan 2030.
Beyond Singapore, Keppel has played an active role in driving sustainable development in the region. Since 2008, Keppel has been leading the Singapore Consortium in developing the Sino-Singapore Tianjin Eco-City project, a joint project by China and Singapore to develop a model city for sustainable development. It is also developing other smart and sustainable projects in the region, such as Saigon's Sport City in Ho Chi Minh City. Every country aspires for a clean and sustainable future, but the battle against climate change is a complex one. It requires collective action from across society, and businesses in particular have a key role to play.
For Keppel, sustainability is our business. Through the solutions we provide to help our customers get to net zero, we are going beyond just running our business sustainably, but are helping our stakeholders contribute to a greener world. We look forward to working with all stakeholders to build a sustainable future together.